Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, in this video you will learn how to use SBI Rewards point to recharge your DTH or mobile number. So friends, at first you need to open any browser, and after that in the address bar you have to search SBI Rewardz. The address bar also act as a search bar, and you will get SBI Rewardz, India's most rewarding loyalty program, at the top of the search. Just click on that option, and then you will find here two options: register and login button. So if you are new, simply click register button. Otherwise, if you have created an account already, then click login button. If you click on the register button, you have to enter your customer ID, which is your CIF number, which is available on your bank passbook, and then you need to enter your last 4-digit number and enter, and then you need to enter the captcha, and then you need to click on the submit button. After that your account will be created, and then since I'm not going to create a new account, I already have an account. Just clicking on the login button and then entering my user ID and password and captcha, and then I need to click on the login button. After that you will able to show your details, dashboard, available points, and if you already have recharged, all these things available on the dashboard. Simply to recharge your DTH, just click on the DTH recharge option, which is available on the top navigation. After that you need to select your operator. Then you need to enter your subscriber ID, and then you need to enter your mobile number. After that you need to enter the amount to which you want to recharge your dish TV, and then you need to click proceed button. After checking the terms and condition, see you will get available points, you will see, and the equivalent amounts, and then how much amount of points remains after your recharge, balance to be paid, amounts to be paid 205. Click on the send OTP button to get the OTP in your registered mobile number and email ID. After getting the OTP, you need to enter the OTP. You just need to wait for a while till you get the OTP in your mobile number, either in your mobile number or email ID. After entering the OTP, you just need to click on the proceed button. After entering the proceed button, you will get an option order placed successfully. You can also view the receipt, just clicking on the view button. Otherwise you need to click done button. So friends, in this way you can recharge your DTH through SBI Rewards point. So also friends, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like, comment and share our YouTube channel.